Buenos dias! Spot the error is a classic activity that can be a real asset in the language classroom, especially when we're talking about grammar. It's like a little detective game for language learners, where they get to put on their grammar detective hats and suss out the culprit in the sentence. It's a hands on way to apply their knowledge, and it really gets them engaged with the material. So here's how it goes down. You throw up a sentence on the board that's got a sneaky little error tucked inside. The student's mission, should they choose to accept it, is to find that error and make it right. It's a great way to get immediate feedback on their grasp of grammar rules. Plus, it's not just about finding the mistake, it's also about explaining why it's wrong and how to fix it. This is where the real learning happens because they have to dig into their understanding of the language structure and put it into practice. Now, the key to making spot the error work is to keep it snappy. You don't want to lose the class in a lengthy explanation or have them just watching the clock. A quick 5-minute drill can do wonders. It's long enough to challenge them, but short enough to keep the energy up in the room. And remember, the goal here is to build their confidence and improve their accuracy. So when they nail it, make sure that success is acknowledged. In essence, it's a simple, effective, and interactive way to reinforce grammar rules and encourage students to be attentive to language details. Plus, it's a nice break from the more traditional teach and repeat methods. Don't you think? Happy comprehensible input.